Hello and welcome to Game Creation in STEM Plus courses, the building blocks and techniques for introducing student-built games into your on-site and online classrooms. This is a SLOAN-C workshop offered through sloanconsortium.org. This hands-on workshop is based on National University's work on the Hewlett Packard's Catalyst Grant, SLOAN-C and ISTE. Online outlines the techniques and tools that professors and instructional designers can use to successfully introduce student-built games into online and on-site STEM Plus courses. The in-depth workshop will examine the integration of game design methodology to STEM Plus curriculum at the participant schools via the free online resources, tools demonstrated in this workshop, and custom-developed examples for their individual requirements. Participants will be led through the steps of developing their own games in order to build confidence towards introducing the game design methodology to their students and ensure great success in the implementation of this innovative technique to teaching and learning. The game design methodology for STEM Plus is founded on years of research at NU on engineering courses and has recently been applied to undergraduate courses in STEM Plus, derivative science fields, including economics. This teaching and course design technique focuses on creativity, motivation, collaboration as the driving forces in learning a particular discipline in a constructivist, project-based environment. Student-built games require the learner to understand the course content at a systems level, thus engaging the learning process through the demonstration of course concepts, terminology, and science through their own modeling of relationships between these topics. This modeling is constructed in an exciting and competitive environment by the addition of game design elements such as challenges, rules, procedures, characters, and objectives. Participants in the hands-on workshop will engage in the following learning exercises: presenting student-built games and the success of the learning experience, translating economics and other STEM Plus concepts learning outcomes into game elements and creating games, using the online tools the online tools to teach students to become beginning game designers, game design documents, planning and framework, creating objectives, challenges, rules, procedures, characters, and dramatic elements, how to build student teams, project-based learning, presentation, and constructivist learning in the game design methodology. The intended audience for this game design workshop will be educators in higher education or K through 12, instructional designers, and perhaps administrators looking to integrate novel ways to better reach students in STEM Plus fields and beyond. Participants will want to have familiarity with internet tools used in education and be able to expertly describe their own disciplines in order to make the transformation to game creation as a tool for teaching and learning. Game creation opens the classroom to entirely new ways to interact and achieve greater depth of learning by making students define the discipline in their own words and worlds. Thank you very much and look forward to seeing you in the workshop. in their own words and worlds. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in our workshop. Have a great day. Bye-bye.